Are you wondering how your dream design will look? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
To understand how this can be done, let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished.
If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe to Be in Tune. Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com. Let's first recall how regular one-track recording is accomplished. If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.